Are you happy? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? No, it's not there. Where'd it go? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Yeah. Is it in this one? Is it in that one? No, not that one. How about the next one? What's the next one? How about this one? How about this one? Where's it? Is it in there? Yes. Oh, I think I threw it in the trash.
No, because I need a hat.
Oh, okay, it's in there. I'll get it in just a second. Vienna, what's in here? What's in here? What's in here? Is that it? Oh, you found it. Yay! Did you find it? Okay, let's keep it out of your mouth. Oh, you want to put it back in? Oh, good job. Good hiding. She keeps hiding her toy and then having to find it. You found it! No, give it back to her. She can't reach up there. Here, Vienna. Oh, wait. Wait! She's just a baby. What if she can't find it? What if she can't find it?